Hi everyone, tired of Windows games refusing to recognize your PlayStation controller or messing up your button layouts? Today we are deploying an optimized DS4 Windows client to map your gamepads and spoof an Xbox controller configuration for zero cost. Let's sync your pads. Move straight down to the description panel and download the core configuration package directly from our website. Launch this initial installer to let the script map out your system directories and extract the baseline toolset framework. Now, fire up the application shortcut to see the clean profile design canvas take shape. Allow the startup workspace to initialize completely to ensure all controller slots and battery monitors load with zero lag. Your advanced controller mapping station is fully operational, verified, and ready for high-tier gaming. Rush over to our website right now to claim your installation files and start playing like a boss.